Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to set up Docker on virtual machine and how to post Docker images to Azure Container Registry. As for this title, Azure Linux Virtual Machine, set up Docker and then push Docker images to Azure Container Registry. So I'll be performing some set of steps to complete this lab. Here are some set of steps. First one, I'll create virtual machine, Azure Virtual Machine. Second, set up CLI and connect Azure Virtual Machine. Third one is set up Docker. I'll be installing Docker on Azure VM. And fourth one will create a container registry and push Docker image to Azure Container Registry. Let us go to Azure portal. Here is my Azure portal. Let me go to home page quickly. Just a minute. Let me refresh, reload it. It is just reloading. So this is my home page. Here I can first step create virtual machine. Let us go and here click on create. Then you can give the virtual machine name. I can take simple name, something like BM education. Okay, this is my BM. I'll keep default setting. Click on next. Click on next. Keep same default setting and then no tag, and here it is asking you to review and create. So validation is okay. We can click on create. So here click on download. Then it is about to open. So here virtual machine is about to create. Then next step what I'll be doing, I'll be setting up the CLI on this virtual machine. There are some set of steps which you can perform to set up the CLI on virtual machine. So here is a one site. This is called learn.microsoft.com. Here are some set of steps which we will be performing on virtual machine to install the CLI. Okay, so let us go to virtual machine. Virtual machine is created. Go to resource. Then next step is to connect VM. Let us connect VM. I'm selecting Azure CLI. Alright, so here it may take few seconds. For time being, what we can do, we can go here and then see these commands. So what we're doing here, this is one get package needed for the installation. Let me click this one first. Alright, this is one. So here these are two commands. Download the installation Microsoft signing key. This is another, and third one is CLI software repository, and fourth one is install CLI package, Azure CLI package. These are the steps which will be performing on Azure virtual machine. So this is simple, just copy paste, no need to do anything. Okay, so here it is about to open how to open that PowerShell command here itself. It is still configuring. I have some set of steps which I'll be performing. Okay, so we are here. All right, so this step here, create virtual machine and trying to connect it. Okay, and then next step would be install CLI. This shall be working from here. So let us open, is still taking time. No worry, it's done. Now you can see this has connected. All right, so it's asking yes, we need to confirm quickly. Now your virtual machine is connected, right? Now next step is perform CLI installation. First one, just copy from here and go to your VM and paste it here. All right, done. Confirm second command. It's installing. It would add some additional space, so click yes. Then next quick step is go and install. right? And then third step is this one, for software registry, and then click, and then fourth step is just this one. Okay, update repository information, Azure CLI. This is the last one, okay, of this CLI setup. It's going on, right? So this is all about CLI setup. Now what we can do, we can connect CLI quickly. Let it take few moment. Okay, now you can type kz login. All right, and then you can copy this code here and click on this command. Here you can paste that code, click for authentication, select your email, continue, and then you can see here it will display your subscription and tenant, all those things. Look at here. So it means it is connected now. Now next step, quickly we can go and do this Docker installation. All right, Docker installation. So this is we installing the Docker. Okay, install Docker IO, right? So here you can see Docker is about to install. Unlocking connection, yes. So we completed third steps also as part of your instruction, right? Now fourth step will be creating container registry. Good. So go to, let us open new tab of Azure. Here you can see new tab. Here you can click on container registry and then click on create. Here you can select resource group, give the name of container registry, CR education. All right, let us see, is it correct name? Yes, it is correct name. All right, and then click on create. So container registry is about to create, where we will be pushing your Docker images. Let us see. It is very short service, won't be taking more time. It's about to create now. And then you can see go to resource and enable the key here, admin. Copy this username and then go to your command prompt. Here what you can do in this, basically quickly. All right, let us take command from there, just a minute. So it is here, I have the command. So this one is only what we are trying to connect the registry, right? So here when you paste this is how to connect the registry. This is my registry name, CR education, which recently created. Okay, now it is asking for username is also same as the registry. Then click, it's asking for password, go to registry, this is registry, and take the password, copy it, and then go there and paste it, and then click on enter. So you can see registry is succeeded, connected. Now next one is pull the Docker command, Docker image, right? So here I'm pulling the Docker image, that is default image is, you can see one of the default image is hello world. So this is the hello world. I can pull it, right, using default tag latest. Okay, it's using default tag hello world latest, right? Hello world latest, that is the tag. Now this is, we have pulled it. Now let's suppose if you want to push it, then what you can do, you can use push command. Tag is already there. You can add your own tag also. Let us try first without our own tag. We can use their tag. Let us see what is that, and what is the tag name. I'm trying to push it, right? And tag name is latest. Okay, let us try. Okay, let us add the tag first then. Okay, I'm trying to add the tag here. Just a minute. This is just we can add the tag on this here. All right. So Docker tag hello world education. This is my server name and hello world, and version I can take 0. All right, or 1. Yeah. Then let us click. Okay. Now you can use push command. So what is that push command? Should be version 1. Version 1. Is that clear? What is that? Alright, so it's pushing to your container registry. Good, it is pushed. Now go to and check there, or you can run this. First you can go and see whether it is pushed or not. Go to there in container registry and check its repository here. In service, under service you have repository. Here you can see this v1, version v1. So this is your Docker image. What you did, you have pushed the Docker image to container registry. So let me summarize as per our instruction. These are the steps. We created the virtual machine, we set up the CLI and connect to VM, and then we set up, install the Docker on VM, and then we created the Azure Container Registry and we pushed the image to Azure Container Registry. So this is what we did till so far. Now last command we can do, we can have a quick one command where we can run that let us try whether it is working or not. It should work, right? So go to again portal. This is here on VM. Let us paste this command. So what we are doing here, we want to run that, right? Let us click. Oh yes. There's something is not appropriate here. Error to get this looking all right. Something is wrong. My registry is not my command is not correct. If I go here, we'll check docker run CRIO version 1. Should be version 1, right? Which version I'm typing there? Let us see which version is there. I also using the right version. Then sometime it get disconnected also. So no worry for that. All right. No, I'm not taking too much time. Okay. So to run this, all right, get container v2. No such v2. Okay, no such v2. Yes, you are right. Unable to find image this local v1. What was that? B1. So that's okay, but we have our main focus was to enter this, publish this under the registry. So what we did, we perform as per our part of agenda. We have completed this all. So you can see, because that is the default image. So no worry for that. Right. So what we did so far, we have done this all, and thank you very much for your time. See you in next video. We'll be creating your React app and we'll pushing your custom image, creating your image of your application and then pushing into the Docker and then use that from the registry on various other places. So that would be the next. So what I'll do, I'll create the Node API and we'll push that solution create the Docker image first and push to the registry, and from registry I'll be using Azure app service. So that would be next. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video.